Alright guys, so just like yesterday, I read you 3 different parts of books and you had to pick the text structure that went with them. I have 2 more to share with you today, one about erosion and one about emperor penguins, okay? So, let's see, let me hide my little sticky notes so y'all can't see. Alright, so I'm going to read you this about soil conservation and you're going to pick the author's text structure, okay? It says, soil conservationists are scientists who study soil. They work with farmers and other landowners. Together they plan ways to save or conserve soil and control erosion. One conservation practice is to leave the stubs of crops in the field after the crop is cut. Plant roots help hold the soil in place and protect it from being washed away by water or blown away by strong winds. In high wind areas, trees may be planted between fields. These trees act as windbreaks, slowing down the wind to keep it from blowing soil away. On hilly land, some farmers use contour plowing, which is plowing across a hill rather than up and down it. The rows of plants catch the water so that it will not run down the hill. Other farmers use strip cropping, planting 2 different crops side by side in strips. Sometimes farmers alternate strips of one crop with strips of grasses for hay. The grasses are cut, but the rooted plants are left to grow again. This means that the land is never all bare. Some strips are always planted so the soil is held in place. Soil conservationists and farmers also work to reduce erosion along stream banks. Banks are graded so that they have a gentle slope. Then rocks are placed along the edges of the stream. Grasses or other plants are planted farther up the bank. Alright, so I want you to think about this passage and how it was written, what structure it was written in. Pick the structure and then give me proof on why. Justify your answer.